Yes, Majesty. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a mail outside. Go get it.
Okay. Come on, Miss Shirley. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just
Okay.
a bloody nose.
Oh, we should probably go to the hospital. They're like us in boxes.
Let's bring them aside. Oh my gosh.
I'll take this one, whatever color it is.
Round. Ow. There.
Maybe we should line them up.
Yeah, line them up.
What is this?
I don't know.
Ah, chicken! Throw it!
Oh no.
Yeah! Okay, let's go get the Majesty.
They're in.
Ow.
There are so many.
Should we answer the Friendship of Magics people that are here?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go get Twilight, Sunset Glimmer, Applejack, and Pinky. Hello!
Wait.
Oh. Boom. I'm here. I'm flying. I'm here. Am I late? Am I early? Am I here? Am I here?
Yes, you're here.
Okay.
Sunshine, sunshine, leave your arms away. Clap your hands and do a little shake.
Yay!
Look at these ponies. Look at these ponies at the mail.
Wow.
There's even crystal ponies.
Oh,
Twilight.
Applejack?
Twilight, don't ever prove me into a portal again.
Oh, sorry. Thought it would be faster.
It wasn't fast.
It was fast.
It hurt my head on these. My sister.
You mean your best friend?
Yeah, I need to get her out.
Well, hello everyone. Today we are going to be doing a toy review. We should probably record this, right, Applejack?
I really need to.
Okay, let's go ahead and start the video. Where's anyone else want to start the video?
I will.
Can you get out of the camera? Cause like you're kind of blocking it. Hello everyone, I'm at Twilight, and we are going to be opening these that we got from, where do we get them?
This one's from This one's from Walmart. This one's from, so what's this one called?
Look on the script of the mail.
What?
Dollar General.
Dollar General?
It's Dollar General, okay?
Dollar General.
Okay, we all know the Queen of Pop, Razzle Dazzle.
Open them now.
We need some giants. Xavier!
Okay, I'll open them.
We need some scissors, maybe? No?
No, we don't.
Okay, just open it. Show them your muscles.
Okay, guys.
That you don't want to show.
Now, this is how you open the sweet little pony thing.
Can you open it faster? Come on, Giant. I thought you had muscles. Show them your muscles. Open it. Oh. Where is she? Where'd she go? Hey, let me see her.
Wait. See, let me cut this thing off.
Let me see it. Oh, I see what you mean.
There's some on these ones too.
Oh, that's great. What was that? Oh, her hair bow. sorry guys if the light ain't really well. We're in Xavier's room and his light doesn't have a light.
Oh, look!
Oh my goodness, Fluttershy's here!
Okay, guys, when we're done with...
Remember me?
Oh, yeah, but...
Come on!
Stop it!
Now all we need is Rainbow Dash!
We don't have her.
I don't mean the McDonald's one.
Oh.
Now see the difference?
Too late. You didn't got her.
I could have, but I just didn't want to. Who's next? We should probably throw this stuff away, right?
My sister, my best friend. I know never what, but I'm gonna cry till I cry to my heart. What?
She's the queen of Razzle Dazzle.
Wait a second, we need some scissors to cut this thing off.
Okay.
Where is my scissors?
Oh, I got it. I'm free. I should probably go do my hair now. Ow. I fell. Oh, she's really nice. I love her. While Xavier, the giant, is opening it, I want to say a few... Oh, never mind then.
This one's her comb.
Can we see her?
Okay, but first, we had to do it up there. We had to do it up there. Come on, get this. Okay, guys. Today, we'll start with this one. Here, she comes with this.
She's the queen of Razzle Dazzle.
So here's her comb that can comb her hair.
Does she come with a hair bow?
No.
Oh.
And her mane is like white.
It's like, well, if you can't actually, probably can't see it. It's like a blue and light blue mixed together. It's like really beautiful. What color is her eye, Xavier?
Her eyes are made out of blue.
What color is her skin?
Blue with glitter.
What's her name?
Her name is Dazzle Dazzle.
No, that's not her name.
Tell me.
We'll be right back.
So,
Okay, guys, we're back. We think her name is Coloratria. It's like Cleopatra, but not that. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Where's her hair comb?
So here.
Was that her?
So here is
Percy Pink. She comes with a hair bow. Her hair is pink. Her eyes are pink. Her body is yellow. And her cutie mark is a purse.
And
We have a mini one of her.
I know it doesn't look like the size of her, but
It's because one is a blind bag.
uh-huh.
And the other one's actually a real pony. Let's move on to the next one. Fluttershy. Did she come with anything?
She came with a comb. And this
Her hair is pink. What color is her eyes?
blue.
And her body?
Her eyes are just like blue, like this one. See?
Mhm.
I know they look like the same, but this eye, her eye is.
Oh, her eyes is lighter and hers like is aqua, cyan. I see what you mean. And her body is yellow with glitter.
Yeah, and
She comes with a nice pink comb so you
Her
can
head-
brush her hair out.
her head can move.
And she has wings.
Yeah,
Okay.
to fly.
Well, let's go ahead and head down to Twilight, and we can all say bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Is this on? Okay, yeah. While you are here watching this, I want to say, we are going to be starting a new series, sooner or later. It is called Drama Academy. Listen, Drama Academy. And, some of the people here that you saw will be in there. and actually, pretty much all of them are going to be in it, plus a few others that we have left out. And that might be soon, maybe near summer, somewhere around that. We already have the first episode pretty much written, but we need to get like everything else done, like the second episode, figure out where everyone's gonna be and all that, instead of just putting out the first episode then forgetting about the second episode. So hope you enjoyed.